for me as a doctor and as a public servant, ito na po ang pinaka malaki at pinakamahalagang recognition na ibinigay po sa akin. I think this is even greater than what I have received from the past sa PMA. Because being a doctor, konti lang kami throughout the country, but being a public servant and iba't ibang sectors ang nagsisilbi sa government, whether be it at the local level, at the provincial level, regional level, or at the national level. Madami po, andyan yung teachers, andyan yung uniform personnel, andyan po yung mga sa health personnel, andyan po lahat, environment. So mas marami po ang stakeholders na pwedeng mabigyan ng attention at mabigyan ng recognition. Definitely, with this recognition, mas grabe po ang iniisip natin kung paano pa natin i-improve ang services natin at kung paano po natin maipapakita ito in terms of programs that we are handling sa local government, sa public health, and eventually sa sa city hospital, yung mga programs natin na nagbibigay sa mga kababayan natin sa Legazpi City. So andito po yung ngayon na mas determined tayo na magpursige at may pakita pa natin na that the local government is serious in terms of giving services and providing services for health sa Legazpi.